Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the AirPods Pro 3 for troubleshooting. First, charge the case and both buds to at least 50% so firmware and resets won't fail. Once charging is verified, remove the silicone tips and inspect for wax, lint, or physical damage. Clean gently with a dry, soft brush. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest OS. This ensures compatibility for firmware patches. Finally, note paired device settings so you can restore customized controls after fixes. Once prepped, perform deeper diagnostics and a forced reset. You'll clean the speaker mesh and charging contacts using a soft brush and lightly dampened 70% isopropyl swab. Avoid liquid pools. Next, check Bluetooth settings on your device. Disconnect and forget the AirPods, note the firmware version, and verify audio routing and spatial audio options. Then perform a factory reset. Place both buds in the case, open the lid. Press and hold the case button for 15 to 30 seconds until the LED flashes amber. After reset, immediately repair the AirPods Pro 3 to your device. Open the case near the device and follow the on-screen prompts. Once paired, test playback, calls, microphone performance, active noise cancellation, and spatial audio features. Make sure to test with another phone or tablet to confirm whether the issue is the buds or the original device. If problems persist, replace the silicone tips and re-clean contact points. If still unresolved, contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics. They can check battery cells, drivers, or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.